Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to Dockerize a Laravel application using Sail. Docker makes it easy to set up development environments, and Sail is Laravel's own official Docker environments. So let's get started. So if you can see, as you can see, we need to open a terminal first. I'm going to make a directory name Laravel. Oh, it exists. Okay, and just paste this command here, Laravel Docker app. It will download all the files, all the related files with the Laravel. Okay, Laravel is installed. Now we need to go inside, see the what is inside this. Yes, this folder. We need to go inside to this folder and see what is inside there. So we just need to open this one on our code, VS Code. We can see there is an env file, and we need to use MySQL. So we are going to change this to MySQL, and this all are should be uncommented. Okay, we should change this one. Okay, so our Laravel application is installed right now. So our next work is to Dockerize this application. So for this, we will open any terminal here, and then we will install via composer Sail. Okay, it's installed, and then we need to run this command. As we are using MySQL, we will select MySQL. If you want to use any other database management system, then you can choose it from here. Okay, we can see it's pulling the MySQL. Okay, another thing, here is a docker compose.yml file. So we can see we have Laravel test as the application name, and MySQL service, and networks and volumes. I have already prepared a MySQL file, sorry, not MySQL file, docker compose.yml file. I can paste all this here. You can see there is a Laravel test for as a app name, another service MySQL, and I have added a new service called PHP admin my admin for see for to see the database. Okay. Okay, now we can run this command, but we will run this command in detached mode. So for running this command in detached mode, we need to add dash t. Okay, my application is ready. And another thing, I need to run this also. Okay, so here I can see we have app port 80, so it will run on localhost. If you can see localhost, my application is online right now. And another thing, you can see the php is running on 8080 port, and the db username db password will be what you have said there, localhost 8080. Okay, we have added db username and password here, so we need to use this username and password for the for opening the my php admin panel. You can see there is a database. User table has no data right now, so if you need, you can make one. And you can see the migrations are ran there. Okay guys, if you don't want to keep these things, keep this project, so you can remove it by vendor bin sail down. The network and container will be removed with this command. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.